Hey doll gang, I missed you guys. So this is going to be a full makeup tutorial. I want to give you guys multiple looks. So this is number one technically. But anyways, you guys just see I'm just doing my brows. I'm going to list all of the products that I'm using in the description bar. Nothing's really different as to what I use. But anyways, for this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. I feel like this palette is perfect for the fall. And I'm just going to start with my transition shade. And remember, I told you guys your transition shade sets the tone. So I want to go for like a deep burgundy look. So I'm just going to keep building until I get the color that I want, basically. Next, I'm going to add like this burgundy-ish color, and I want to put that in mainly my crease, which means it's going to be below where the like brownish orangey shade is, and then I'm just going to blend that all out together, and this is just going to deepen things up just a tad. Next, I'm going to go in with a deeper shade, and I'm going to put that directly in my crease with a smaller brush just to add some definition to it. And in a few, you'll see that I actually grab the black and I mix it and I just deepen it up even more. Now, honestly, you can add as many shadows that you want in order to get the color that you want, but you just have to really make sure that you blend everything out. So like, for example, you see I added the black, but I just continue to blend it out so that it's not too harsh. I wanted my crease to be mainly defined because of this part right here. I am doing a cut crease, and I'm kind of making it into like a sunset shape. Like, it's not like a full cut crease, not a half cut crease. I just really wanted the middle to just be blank and have no shadow, so that I can apply the next color that you guys will see in just a bit. Now, this next color has always stood out to me in a Morphe 3502 palette. Is one of the main reasons why I bought it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking that shade and I'm putting it everywhere where I put the concealer, and you want to make sure you keep it clean, but you also want to make sure that you cover wherever the concealer is. Next, I'm actually going to go back into the Morphe 3502 palette, and those darker shades that I used to really define my crease earlier, I'm going to add it onto the sides of where I cut, basically, because you want to make sure everything is blended. You can't just leave it looking separated like that unless you're going to look crazy. So as you can see, I kind of got my eyes the way I want it. You could play around with it to just get it looking exactly how you want it. And I always blend out my transition shade to make sure everything looks very nice and neat. I kind of skipped over my, well, I didn't kind of, I did. I skipped over my foundation shade and my concealer shade and the blending and the translucent setting powder part, because you guys see me do that in every single video. Nothing has changed. I just really wanted to focus on the eyes for this video. But actually right now I'm actually going to be using the Black Radiance contour palette. I love this stuff. I actually got it at my local Walmart. I don't know if they sell it anywhere else, maybe Target, but I got it at Walmart and they're really good. I love their contour shades. I feel like it fit my skin perfect. And it doesn't look like, it's not too grayish and it's not too red. It's like the perfect shade, and I think they have like a light, medium, and dark. Next, I'm just taking this ColourPop pressed powder, and this is actually their sheer pressed powder, and I think this is in deep dark. I'm kind of in like that middle phase of like my tan and not my tan. I'm starting to slowly get back to my regular color, so sooner or later I won't need to do that. Next, I'm just bronzing. This is Mahogany with the Anastasia bronzer. And on my lower lash line, I'm actually taking those two crease colors that I had used, and in the inner part, I actually use this as a liner, an eyeliner, and it's the color that I used in my lid. That's what really made the look like really pop. It looks really nice, so I'm glad I did that. For my wing eyeliner, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. If you guys have trouble doing your eyeliner, try this. I promise you, These eyelashes are from actually a girl that's, you know, from my town, Cece. Congratulations. I don't think they're actually fully out yet, but I will let you know, guys, know more info as soon as she releases them. I'm actually testing them out for her, and I love them so far. They're really, really, really nice. Next, I'm actually using a highlighter, and I forgot which one I use, but I'll list in the description box. I'm using a ColourPop lip liner, and this is actually ColourPop and ELLARIE's collaboration, and this is one of the liquid lipsticks, and like I said, I will list that shade in the description bar. This is actually like a really different look for me. I normally, like, I have so many liquid lipsticks and I just always go nude, so I was actually shocked at myself, like, I actually look really good with a different lip color. Oh, let me know if you guys want to see like a review on this hair. I'm thinking of doing like maybe like a 1 month review. This is a full lace wig, so you guys let me know. But anyways, I hope you guys really did enjoy this tutorial. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.